Hi everybody, welcome to a new tutorial on BeepStreet Drambo, the modular groove box. I have been requested through a number of messages if I could start record a number of tutorials to show people that know how to use very well Drambo, on how to start creating a song, and particularly how to use the Morph function to interact with that song. So this is one of those first videos. So I'm not going to explain everything, but there are lots of tutorials which are already created in Drambo, so you please reference those if you need more information. I'm also going to give away some free codes for Drambo. So if you are interested and if you are subscribed to the Sound for More YouTube channel, please send an email to soundformore@gmail.com with a screenshot of a Sound for More video showing that you are subscribed, and I will come back to you with a code for Drambo. So let's start. So let's put a kick drum for each of the bit. We have 4 bits in the pattern. Is the standard project setup. So let's click on the plus sign. Let's go, actually scroll down, let's go to the NN kick, and this is what it sounds like. Perfect. Let's mute this track. Let's go to the second track. So let's add some snare on the second and fourth bit. So let's click on the plus sign. Let's go to the preset of instrument, expand drums, then snare, and let's select snare's own keys. Let's see what it sounds like. Okay, let's add under process so a bit of reverb as well. So let's try again. Perfect. And let's mute the track as well. Let's go to track number 3. Now let's add something off each bit, like so. And for these, let's select in the generator a different preset. So something like, for example, the April Black. Let's try. Perfect. So let's mute again the track and let's go to track number 4. For this one, let's start to create a bass, something like a pattern like this. And for this, let's select another instrument from the rack. So jump bass will do. So let's try. A bit high as a volume. So let's see. Let's reduce the dial here on the amplitude for the amplification. Okay, perfect. So let's mute that as well. Let's move on to track number 5, and here let's create a pad which will last for the entire measure or pattern. So let's go higher an octave, so to C3, and click and hold, create a pattern, and then let's add a preset, something like the pulse, if I remember well, pulse pad. Here we go. Let's see what it sounds like. Perfect. Let's mute that as well. Let's go to track number 6, and in this one let's create a pattern for another pluck sound. So something like these, and then we get like a pedal type of sound, like so. And then let's add another instrument rack, and let's go near, so another plucked A, that will be good. And also let's add some reverb to these as well. Let's try. Perfect. So we have 6 tracks. So let's unmute all the others, like so. And then what we're going to do, remove keys. We're going to bring up a different view so that we can see all the master volume of the different tracks. So we have 6 tracks. So let's see how we can use the morph features. So I want to move from one to the next scene, so from A to B, from B to C, etc. So the way to do that is you can move from A to B, and then you can go back to A while you are in B and select C, for example, and you can continue like so. So let's go back to A, and for A we want only track 1 active, so I take down the volume of 2 to 6. Then I move to B, and I want 1 and 2, so 3, 4, 5, 6. Then C, we want 4, 5, 6, D, 5, 6, E, only 6, and then F, we'll have all of them, and then to conclude on actually on on G, we are going to reduce them all to 0 because I want to have the effect of taking down the volume. So let's try again. A, only track A, B 1 and 2, C 1, 2 and 3, D 1, 2, 3, 4, E 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, F all the tracks 1 to 6, G the volume is all down. Perfect. Then so let's set this back to A. Let's unclick that because I don't want to further modify it. And then what I'm going to do is going to use the transpose function. So for that plucked sound, that pattern will connect the MIDI input to the MIDI output from main. So I can use the keys on the main track here to change or transpose up and down the melody. So let's press key, return to the main video like so. And now really let's try. So I just prepare myself, so I go on track A like that. I'm on track A, so I will start playing now. You will see that I move from the scene A to B, etc., and the tracks will come alive. Additional thing you can do, you can go to the master and apply an effect on top of that. So for example, let's go on here and let's apply the decimator effect just as a try. So let's stay on scene A, and let's click play and just play around with the effect a little bit. Okay, I hope you enjoyed and hope you found this useful. Certainly if you're starting out with Drambo and you go through some other tutorials, so this will help you also to start to create the song. Of course, I have done these in a standalone version, but this could have been in AUM. You could have recorded the session. You could have, of course, increased the complexity in terms of instruments effects. You can have more than one instance of Drambo, and therefore no limits really. It's an amazing application, Drambo. As I said, hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.